All right, you guys, let's talk about how to do the autofocus one assignment. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look at the camera and I'll show you what it is that you're going to be doing. Here we go. All right, so I've got my camera all set up per the assignment instructions. And remember, to change the autofocus point, you press this button right here. And you can do that while looking through the camera, or you can just be looking at the back of the camera. See that? And you actually, I told you yesterday that you have to hold that button down. You don't watch. I can just press it and let go. And then I turn this wheel on the top and that changes what focus point is active. So remember, when they're all lit up like this, that means that the camera will choose the best focus point for you. What we're going to do is we're going to take pictures using all 9. So I'm going to press that again. And let's just start with the middle one, all right? Hold up now. I'm going to require you to turn these photos in order. So start with the middle one and go in the order that I'm about to show you, because if you don't take them in order, you're going to have to move them around and get them in order, and it's obnoxious. Okay, so I have my center focus point selected, right? So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to take 9 different photos using all 9 focus points, and that's going to look something like this. Okay, so here we go. Object number 1 for me is going to be my Pepsi can. I'm going to focus on it by putting the center focus box on a part of it that it can focus on. And I'm going to make sure I'm far enough away from the Pepsi can that it's pretty obvious that it's the center focus point, meaning don't shoot it like this, because if I'm this close, hold on. See how if I'm this close, there are multiple focus boxes that cover up the Pepsi can. So I want to make sure I'm pretty far away from it like this. I also want you to make sure that there's lots of background behind whatever your subject is. See, I can see the computers in the background there. That works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and take this photo, and that is shot number 1. For the next shot, I'm going to switch, and I'm going to use this focus box right here. The top right-ish one, whatever that one is right there. We're going to use that one, and I'm going to pick a different subject this time. And I'm going to use the same qualifications. I'm going to be far enough away that the only thing that focus box is touching is my subject, and then I'm also going to make sure there's lots of background. So that would look like this. Okay, so in this one, I'm using that Body Armor water bottle there. I'm going to go ahead and focus on that. You can see the red light blinking right over the words Body Armor. And I'm going to just get that in focus. And then here we go. I'll take that picture. All right, at this point, I'm just going to keep working my way around the focus boxes until I've done 9 photos at 9 different focus boxes. Remember, they're going to need to be in order, so please take them in order, and this is the order you'll want to take them in. Okay, so like we already said, this is photo number 1, this is photo number 2, and then I'm just going to keep turning this wheel to the right. So photo number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. With the very last one will be that top box. So remember, we're not doing any on this one, and we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's a really good idea, you guys, to take a few photos at each one. In fact, I'm going to require that you take 5 photos at each focus box. So we've got 9 focus boxes, 5 photos at each one. That's going to be 45 photos. Now, that means 5 photos of the same thing. So when you're doing your Pepsi can, just take 5 photos of the Pepsi can using the center focus box. And then on your next one, take 5 photos of the Body Armor water bottle on this focus box. So you don't have to do 5 different subjects, just 5 photos of the same subject, so that you can make sure you've got one that's perfect. And that's how we do the autofocus 1 assignment.